Mastering the Rank, a guide to ordinal numbers in ranking. Hello, English learners. In today's session, we're going to focus on an essential aspect of the English language, ordinal numbers, but specifically, how we use them when talking about rankings. Let's jump into it. Before we go deep into rankings, let's refresh our memory about what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate the position or order of things in a list. They include numbers like first, second, third, and so on. They tell us about sequence and are super useful in various situations, including ranking. Now that we remember what ordinal numbers are, let's talk about how we use them in ranking. The rankings could be anything. It might be the position of runners in a race, the order of books in a bestseller list, or even the ranking of your favorite movies. Whenever we rank something, we use ordinal numbers. If someone wins a race, we say that they came in first. The runner-up is the one who came in second. The person after them is third, and so on. In a ranking, first is usually the best or highest, while last is the lowest. So, if you're describing a marathon, you might say, John came in 7th, or Mary was the third runner to cross the finish line. Let's try some examples together. 1. Imagine you're ranking your top 3 favorite ice cream flavors. You might say, vanilla is my first choice, chocolate is my second, and strawberry is the third. 2. If we're talking about a series of movies, you could say, the first movie was great, the second was even better, but the third wasn't as good. The more you practice using ordinal numbers in rankings and sequences, the more comfortable you'll become. That's it for today's lesson, learners. I hope this video helps clarify how to use ordinal numbers in rankings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these in your daily conversations. As always, keep learning, and see you in the next video.